Alright, Tech Fam. Samsung's cooking up something big in the battery department, and if the leaks are on point, we might see this major upgrade make its grand entrance with the Galaxy S26. Yep, you heard that right. Now, while a bunch of other smartphone brands have already jumped on the bandwagon with flashy new battery materials, Samsung's taking a slightly different route, and honestly, it sounds just as exciting. According to a fresh scoop from the Elec, Samsung's prepping to roll out something called S26. Sounds fancy, but here's the scoop. It uses stainless steel to beef up the battery's internal structure. So what's in it for us? Well, this isn't just about cramming more juice into the phone. This upgrade could mean faster charging, better longevity, and way less of that annoying battery swelling issue that's quietly plagued some older Galaxy models. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max is already rocking this tech, so Samsung jumping in now totally makes sense. But before you get too hyped, don't expect this tech to hit every Galaxy device out of the gate. It's likely going to debut in the premium models first, with the Galaxy S26 leading the charge. Also, rumor has it Samsung might be shaking up the lineup a bit. Word on the street is the Galaxy S26 Plus might get the boot in favor of keeping the S26 Edge around. So yeah, the S26 series could look a little different come 2026. Of course, Samsung hasn't officially confirmed any of this yet, so take it with a grain of salt. But if this stainless steel battery tech does land in the S26, it could be a pretty big moment, not just for Samsung, but for smartphone battery innovation in general. We're talking faster charging, longer life, less wear over time, and finally, a step toward catching up with rivals like OnePlus, who've been stuffing 6200 mAh beasts into razor-thin frames for a while now. So, what do you think about this battery upgrade? Game changer, or just another spec bump? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you're hyped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news coming your way. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.